who amongst them was the best foodie?
The best foodie Prime Minister guess. Yes, absolutely. Atal Bihari Vajpayee. No foodie like him. You could, go to an evening like this, unke ghar pe reception, he called for some whatever, and there'll be jalebi coming, he would tuck into that, there'll be samosas coming, tuck into that, kebabs coming, tuck into that. And he told Brajesh Mishra, who was his principal secretary, he said, tell Rajdeep Sardesai, who's a well-known journalist, he said he's going to the US, tell him where you get the best steak in New York. So he knew where you got the best steak in New York. And he was, people who knew him said he loved Mexican food. Vajpayee ji ki table pe breakfast, I was told at that time, people who, he'd call people for breakfast, MPs and others. It would be a big table, there'd be idli, dosa, uttapam, then there will be toast, anda, there will be jalebi, kheer. A table was huge for breakfast. And it tucked into everything.